guys, Muhammad this side from F16 Media again. So a lot of people ask that how we can help air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, chimney, and drywall cleaning business to get more leads. So first of all, we do not sell any leads. We do not send any leads. We are a company that helps air duct, carpet, chimney, and dryer vent cleaning companies to get more and more leads using paid advertising. So if you're looking for buying the leads and that's spammy leads and spammy appointments, we don't do that. Okay, we make you a brand. Okay, we run ads for you. We target the homeowners who are looking for air duct services. They fill out the form, you get the lead, you call them, you book appointment, bam. Okay, and we also help air duct companies get premium branding with our secret sauce strategy. So if you are looking for 70 to 100 pre-qualified leads in the next 80 days, you can check our comment section. You will find testimonial videos. You will find a calendar link to book a free call with us. Okay, so don't fall into any other trap that they are selling the leads. Those are the repeated leads and those are already sold leads. Okay, so we use your Facebook page and everything is yours. We just are marketing partners on your business and we run ads for you and we target the homeowners who are looking for your services and you call them and make an appointment. Okay, so if you're looking for 70 to 100 pre-qualified leads in next 30 days for your air duct, carpet, chimney, dryer business, we can get you started within 15 minutes. Okay, try our services for a week. If you like it, then you can give it a shot for a month. Don't fall into any trap. We generate premium air duct, dryer, carpet, and chimney leads.